Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow multiple answers to your questions in your OneDrive form that you have created via the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your form, and after that you should uh, tap on this multiple answers button. So here you can select total options. Now it is set to no limit, and you can select the other options too, meaning that your participants of your questionnaire will be able to select more than one options that you give to your questions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.